Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. How to zoom in Opera GX. In Opera GX, to zoom in, there's three ways to zoom in Opera GX. The first one is control and scroll wheel. You scroll up, zooms in. I'm gonna scroll down, zooms out. Then another way to zoom in and out in Opera is by clicking control, then the plus button in your keyboard. By clicking the plus, it will zoom. And by clicking the minus, it will zoom out. And another way to zoom in and out in Opera GX by clicking right here, the zoom. Once you click that, it will zoom in. The plus, it will zoom. There you go. And once you click on the minus, it will zoom out. And there you go. That's how you zoom in and out of Opera. So I hope you guys like it and I hope you guys learned something today. And thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.